Hello families, my name is Cindy. Welcome to Make It Yourself Recipe Episode 3. Today I'm going to make ice cream. It's a very easy and simple recipe, so you can all do it together with your children. Here are the ingredients we need: milk, sugar, vanilla extract, salt, and ice. We'll also need a cup and a spoon for mixing, a measuring cup, measuring spoon, one big Ziploc bag, and one small Ziploc bag. Okay, my hands are clean. Now we can start it. First, I'm going to cut 1 cup of milk. So this is 1 cup. Okay, it's almost. So then we put 1 cup of milk inside the cup. And now we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So this is 1 tablespoon, so it means we need 2. So 1, 2. Here's one sweet, eh? And this one, we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So it tastes like vanilla ice cream. And then we put it inside. And now we're going to mix it. So we take a spoon and mix it together until all the sugar dissolves. Okay, let's sing the mixing song, right? And then when we mix together, mix together, mix, 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 mix it all together, mix it all together, mix, 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 mix. Let us check and see whether it's dissolved or not, or still not dissolved yet. So we try to sing one more time. Mix together, mix together, mix, 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 mix it all together, mix it all together, mix, 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 mix. Oh, this time it's okay now, it's ready. So now we're going to get a Ziploc bag. So we're going to take a small one. So we're going to get a small Ziploc bag and put the milk inside. So make sure you seal it tight. Make sure you seal it tight. It's not going to leak, right? Milk cannot come out from the bag. And we're going to take another big Ziploc bag and putting the small Ziploc bag of milk mixture inside the big Ziploc bag. And now this is the part we're going to put the ice inside. How many cups of ice? We need 4 cups of ice. This is 1 cup, and then we need 4 cups. So I'm going to get all the ice inside. So let's check. This is 1 cup. Then we're going to put inside the milk bag. So that's another cup. So this is 3 cups of ice. So this is the 4th cup. So we put all the ice inside like this, right? And now we're going to put the salt. So we're going to, how many salts we need? We need 1/4 cup of salt. And then we put the salt inside and shake it. And make sure we seal it tight. Okay, now we're going to shake it. And then we're going to see the sound shaking, shaking when you're shaking, okay? Shaking, 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 shake, 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 shake. Shaking, 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 shake, 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 shake. And then we're going to check. So is it ready? Not yet. And we keep shaking. Shaking, 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 shake, 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 shake. Shaking, 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 shake, shake, shake. Okay, let's see. It's not ready yet, and then we keep shaking. Shaking, 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 shake, 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 shaking, 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 shake, shake, shake. We need more time. It's almost okay. Okay, we try one more time. It's almost. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's like the ice cream now, look. So we're going to put inside a cup. See? It's the ice cream. Thank you for watching. So I hope you all try this at home and then enjoy your ice cream.